Ikaw na ang pinaka-espesyal na earring sa buong mundo. Habs? Yes, you. Ay, nako. Na si Tami. Natutulog. Morning. Tulog siya. Hindi niya ako tinabihan kagabi. Pag uli niya. Kasi may kawain na naman. Akala ko walang trabaho. Meron na naman, akala ko tapos na siya sa mga pagda-download ng Salida movie. Yan mga inday. Humihilig kasi naabandona na talaga ako nito mga day. Hindi na ako tinatabihan. Hindi niya siya tumatabi. Alam ko naman yan dahil sa trabaho, pero yung feeling ko inabandona na talaga ako. Nako mga day. Wala na talaga ako mabubuhat. Wala na akong magagawa nito. Alam niyo, gusto kong magbisaya. Kasi, alam niyo, gusto kong magbisaya, mag-vlog. Kaso sa YouTube, Tagalog talaga. Pero sa Facebook, gusto kong magbisaya. Kasi po, iba kasi ang Bisaya, mga love. Sa amin ha, sa aming mga Bisaya, ma-express namin lahat. Mga expression na hindi na mga expression ba, mga loko-lokong expression, marami kami, at hindi ko siya mailabas sa Tagalog kasi iba naman kasi walang yaga-yaga. Anong mga yana ba? Yaga-yaga, mga bare. Wala man, lahi naman dyan ang Bisaya dyan. Hello guys! Good afternoon. We have a disaster. Meron kaming disaster sa bahay mga darling, no? So yun, and merong naliligo si Tami, pero ang resulta, nagkaroon man ng disgrasya doon sa baba mga loves. Ang water nagagas-agas. Ito yung video. I have to go to the basement. Patay problemado. I'm going to the basement, okay? Wala na guys, naglunop na judiri guys. Look, tignan nyo guys. Goodness, oh. Basang-basa guys. Basang-basa. Lagyan ko ng tuwalya. Oh my goodness. Guys, kung wala si Tami dito, guys. Kung wala si Tami dito, overnight po itong basa. That means flood na ang buong basement. Kasi hindi man ako dito palaging pumupunta dito sa baba. Hindi ako dito palagi, guys. So kaya, kung wala si Tami ngayon, and hindi siya naliligo kasi walang tubig, ibig sabihin nito, ang buong basement pupunta sa ibabaw ang tubig kung hindi makalabas. Guys, buti na lang andito siya. Kasi talagang natakot tuloy ako. Pagtingin ko, grabe yung tubig. Nagbasa-basa. Naglagsik-lagsik. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari. I think ang rason pala, naaparabay kuryente ni. Hala, the electric. Shit. Ang electric. Buti na lang na agapan agad. Kaya kung hindi pa ito grabe yun kaayo yun ang basement yun. Perte. Nahadlo ko guys kasi may electric dito and then basa. Nabasa ang electric. Nas Tami. Na. Mga electric dito guys. Yan, electric. Ito, electric. Yan, basa, electric. It should be after that dirty filter.
You still got a flashlight?
Yes.
She don't.
Tell me how to push you out here.
Don't touch me, that's all.
I will let you
You pretty much don't touch me.
Can you
don't touch somebody who's being electrocuted. You'll get electrocuted with them.
Can you I'm gonna unplug it. Okay?
All this.
Unahan ko na kayo. May magmorites naman dito. Nangyari sa basement yung Mirian. Bakit ang daming mga anik-anik? Oo naman talaga. Marami kasing gamit itong asawa ko. Maraming collectibles. So kaya nag-alala talaga siya. Buti na lang hindi maraming tubig dyan sa basement na lumala at naagapan agad. So yun, ang dami niyang grocery. Buti na lang itong mga tuwalya, towel, paper towel, tissue, mga kahit anik-anik nasa ibabaw na. Yes, marami po siyang tubig para sa zombie apocalypse. So yun, grabe. Buti na lang, luckily Tami is home. Kasi if he's not home, guys, it's like day and night. The water will be on top of my head. It's like the basement is big, but there's a lot of stuff in the basement na mabasa dyan siya. luckily he is home. Pero nag-ano siya, nag-alala siya kasi mabaho daw siya, hindi daw siya nakaligo eh. Buti na lang ako guys. Luckily I showered love.
Yeah.
Or else you will be with stinky woman.
Now you're gonna be with stinky guy.
Kasi
But luckily I was taking a shower. If I waited an hour to take a shower, I'd be going for an hour. Technically I should have been able to hear it in the living room. Should be able to hear the water. But you
seems
didn't-
like it's
you didn't
just
hear the water, so.
yeah, but suddenly it's just happened. You see that? Not like few.
No, I know.
Because-
I know when it happened. I was in the shower when it happened, so I know.
So
So
you
I know
always
maybe it was the hot water. I turned to cold. No cold water.
No
Maybe
cold
the-
water?
I figured maybe it's cold water. So I figured maybe it was just the hot water.
yeah.
Then I figured maybe the shower head was clogged up, so I turned to the sprayer. No.
Uh-huh.
Then I went to the sink. No. So then I knew it was either the well is dry, the well pump is dead, or blew a pipe in the basement.
Oh my goodness.
Even worse, could have blew a pipe in the wall.
In the wall.
Yeah, the pipes have to get upstairs somehow.
Wala. So luckily guys, and then he was running downstairs.
In a towel.
Nakatawal siya but nag-video pa ako. And so I ran downstairs and then ang
I
tubig.
screamed.
I didn't scream.
Yeah, you ran downstairs, like do something about it. You're like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
So what's your agenda now?
Well, now I gotta go to Home Depot. I'm gonna have to get 2 caps so I can cap that pipe off.
Did you bring the thing?
I got it. Then we gotta stop at Walmart.
You run to Walmart quick, okay?
And then we gotta go stop at Hennifer's.
You go to Walmart quick. Good morning guys. Ngayon ko lang nagising. Iba yung naramdaman ko eh. Di ba kagabi kumain ako ng cake. Dahil hindi ako uminom ng tubig. Ang sakit-sakit ng anong ko guys. Lalamunan ko, grabe. Hindi ako nakalimutan kong uminom ng tubig. So yung lalamunan ko ngayon is sobrang sakit. Kailangan kong mag-inom ng Just want lemon. Sakit ng ulo ko. Hindi ko alam eh. You're going...
They see me lying down. Change, you go lie down, they figure out. There's our treats.
And? How about the cat?
They're done too, but they're not going in.
So, Thomas is sleeping here tonight. Because, iring nagakos, right, baby?
What, 3 hours? 4 hours?
Oh, okay, close your eyes now.
Yeah.
You shave. You're so guapo when you shave.
Yeah, but I
Oy,
can't find a charger for it. It's dead now.
charger is probably over there.
No, I had it in the closet in a little bag or some kind of weird ass bag. But now I don't find it now. I'll dig it up.
Okay. Hi, Hubs. You are so special, boy.